This video tutorial is for visual purposes only, as there are too many variables when trying to fly speakers. Electro-Voice highly recommends you seek the guidance of a professional when flying any Electro-Voice speaker. The array bracket is used to suspend two ETX-35P loudspeakers in an array. The array bracket kit contains the following: 1 ETX powered loudspeakers accessory installation guide, 1 6mm hex key, 6 M10 split lock washers, 6 M10 button head screws, 1 bracket top, 1 bracket bottom, 4 M10 fender washers, and 4 M10 forged steel shoulder eye bolts. To attach the array bracket to the ETX-35P loudspeaker, place two ETX-35P loudspeakers on the floor with the amplifiers facing you. Using the 6mm hex key, remove the two inside suspension point M10 screws from the top of both loudspeakers. Also remove the two back suspension point M10 screws from the top of both loudspeakers. Then align the top bracket with the suspension points. Note, the front of the top bracket is shorter than the back of the top bracket, and the back of the top bracket is longer than the front of the top bracket. Insert 4 of the M10 button head screws and 4 M10 split lock washers into the top bracket. Now tighten all 4 M10 button head screws so that the top bracket is secure to the loudspeakers. Remove the two bottom suspension point M10 screws from the bottom of both loudspeakers. Align the bottom bracket with the bottom suspension points. The notches in the bottom bracket are designed to fit around the rubber feet. Insert 2 of the M10 button head screws and 2 of the M10 split lock washers and tighten until the bottom bracket is secure to the loudspeakers. If the desired down angle is between 0 and 45 degrees, use the top front suspension points. If the desired down angle is between 45 and 90 degrees, use the rear top suspension points. To attach the eye bolts to the loudspeaker in the 0 to 45 degree position, remove the top front suspension point M10 screws from the top of both loudspeakers. Insert one eye bolt and one fender washer into both loudspeakers. Tighten and secure both eye bolts. To attach the eye bolts to the loudspeakers in the 45 to 90 degree position, remove the rear top suspension point M10 screws from the top of both loudspeakers. Insert one eye bolt and one fender washer into both loudspeakers. Tighten and secure both eye bolts. Now remove the rear bottom suspension point M10 screws from the rear of both loudspeakers. Insert one eye bolt and one fender washer into both loudspeakers. Tighten and secure both eye bolts. Your ETX loudspeakers are now ready to be flown. If you have any safety concerns or are unsure of anything covered in this video, please consult the ETX Powered Loudspeaker Accessories Guide or a professional speaker installer.